everybody, I am Hanilu from Spread Peace Agency, and I want you to know that Popo have a new event, which is the Intimacy Ranking. Here are the rules. Number 1, the ranking is sorted in descending order based on the intimacy points of the host fan group added daily. Number 2, the intimacy points are accumulated by fan club members completing fan club tasks. A specific task and scoring rules are governed by the fan club task rules. Number 3, the ranking is daily ranking, which is refreshed at 12 midnight UTC plus 8 every day. Number 4, the platform will detect the behavior of users. The users who complete by using violation behaviors will be permanently removed from the rank and the accounts will be banned. Number 5, intimacy points gained through violations will not be counted toward the ranking. Number 6, the top 1 user on daily rank will be featured on official social media accounts. And here the daily mission includes: Number 1, send a fan light board every 100 coins plus 1 intimacy point, max 10 days. Number 2, send lucky gifts every 2,000 coins plus 1 intimacy point, max 5 days. Number 3, send other gifts every 1,000 coins plus 1 intimacy point, max 70 to 3,000 days. Number 4, join or renew a fan club plus 1 to 2 intimacy points each time, max to 2 days. Number 5, activate Guardian. Silver plus 15, Gold plus 30, King plus 150 intimacy points, max 1,800 days. Number 6, share the live room externally plus 1 intimacy point, max 1 day. Watch live for 30 minutes and 3 minutes plus 1 intimacy points, max 10 days. And that's all. Thank you.